Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. In this video, I am going to tell you how to make glutathione powder at home. As we all know, glutathione is very important for skin. It has a lot of benefits. It prevents free radicals, reduces pigmentation and blemishes. Here are 5 medical ingredients that we need to make glutathione powder at home. Number first ingredient is beetroot powder. As we all know that beetroot is very organic source. It contains vitamin C. It is having anti-aging properties. Second medical ingredient is licorice or muleti powder. Muleti powder is very good for your gut and it improves the immunity. That's why it gives glow to your skin. Number third ingredient is moringa powder. Moringa leaves are full of vitamin A, vitamin C. It reduces wrinkle and also spots from your face. Consumption of moringa powder brings natural glow to your skin if we use it on daily basis. Number fourth magical ingredient includes the fenugreek powder that is very good for hair growth. It protects our skin from free radicals, also give protection from pigmentation and having a lot of other properties that gives natural glow to your skin. Number fifth ingredient includes the curry leaves. Curry leaves are very important. They repair the damaged skin, improve eyesight and also improve the hair growth. So what you need to do is you have to mix all the powders in equal quantity. You have to keep this powder moisture free, so store it in a airtight container and use this 1 tablespoon on daily basis before your morning meal or breakfast. Or for good results you have to maintain the consistency. I hope you will like the video.